Candlestick analysis provides a much more clear aspect of what the nature of a trend is. As we saw after our Morningstar signal followed by the doji sandwich, which we consider a morning sandwich or the McMuffin, which is a very strong indication there's been a great reversal in investor sentiment that we're in for an uptrend. Now we can analyze what type of uptrend is occurring. It moves up, consolidates, moves up, consolidates, moves up, consolidates, and it's been doing that with one basic aspect to this uptrend. They've never been able to close it back below the T-line. So we have a very simple formula. You can stay long as you don't see a sell signal and a candlestick sell signal and a close below the T-line. We can also analyze the nature of this market. Moves up, consolidates, and we can see that it consolidates very indecisively with dojis, which are indecision days. And it also allows us to analyze that if the uptrend is in progress and the pullbacks are very indecisive, that more than likely the uptrend is still in progress. This same analysis is easily applied to stocks such as Apple. Once it started its uptrend above the T-line, they could never close it below the T-line. So we can see a J-hook pattern. Wave 1 should equal wave 3. So it makes our likely target up here at the 200-day moving average. Notice in the uptrend, not only could they not close it below the T-line, but the 3 T-line, which is a 3 exponential moving average. They're using that as support, which tells us there's still a lot of strength in this price move. And candlestick reversal signals allow us to understand what is actually happening in a price movement versus what's going on in all the professional analyst rhetoric. For example, Whiting Oil, or Whiting Petroleum, has had a lot of dojis over the last few days with stochastics in the oversold area, and had bullish confirmation today that closed up above the 50 as well as the T-line. Positive trading would illustrate a couple things. One, confirming this reversal area, and two, breaking this downward trend channel, as well as staying above the T-line. Why would you be buying Whiting Petroleum when crude oil is down? We may not have any earthly idea, but somebody is buying Whiting Oil or Whiting Petroleum despite what crude oil prices are doing. Remember, candlestick signals aren't a estimate or a prognosis of what might happen in the future. Candlestick signals are showing you what's actually going on in investor sentiment. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.